go. Match begins in 3, 2, 1, go. Autonomous has begun. Red Alliance, 2 robots moving on the field right now. Fear the Gear getting a sample into that high basket. Their teammate Qualifier getting a specimen onto the high chamber. Going to try and grab a second one from their team, and they do so successfully. Fear the Gear getting a second sample into that high basket. Blue Alliance side looks like one sample into that high basket from the Robo-Hodegs. A second specimen scored for the Red Alliance, and a fourth sample scored into that high bin for the Red Alliance. Fear the Green.
3, 2, 1.
Teleop has begun. Drivers are now in control of the robots. Red Alliance coming into this teleoperated period with a huge lead already. Those samples and specimens worth more points during the autonomous period. Fear the Gear trying to grab the samples as they can, scoring as many into that high basket. Robo-Hodegs lining up with the samples, headed over to their basket. Innovation School trying to pick up a blue sample on their side of the field. Sandy going for another red sample from that submersible. Teams must use Alliance-specific colored samples for their specimens to be counted for scoring points. But for the baskets, it does not matter, yellow or blue, Alliance-specific, they can use whatever. Fear the Gear for that Red Alliance back and forth with the submersible to their basket. Qualifier trying to grab a sample from the submersible, gets it out, but unfortunately drops it, able to shove it over to their human player though. One specimen waiting there. Innovation School for the Blue Alliance, sample in hand, headed over to their side basket, catching themselves on the low basket, hopefully getting themselves off. 45 seconds remain as the Innovation School adds another sample to their low basket. Qualifier going for a third specimen onto that high rung, getting it successfully. 35 seconds remaining in the match. Quite a few samples in that high basket for the Red Alliance. Multiple scored during this teleop period. 30 seconds remain. Qualifier adding another specimen to that high chamber. Looks like Robo-Hodegs has gone and parked themselves in the observation zone. Their partners, Innovation School, lining themselves up into the Ascension zone. Gonna see if they can get themselves up on that high low rung. Touching the low rung while on the floor does give them bonus points during the endgame time. Fear the Gear getting themselves up there. Unfortunately, looks like Qualifier went to go put another